greetings and welcome back to my channel! It is I, Erin, and today I've got a mini Ulta haul for you. Like literally mini, but costed so much. So when you see the things that I picked up by accident, on purpose, by accident, then just keep on watching. And while you're watching this video, if you enjoy it, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, join the darling army! It's a fantastic place! We're over 117 subscribers! What? I love it! Thank you guys so much for all your support. Let's get into this haul. First of all, I went to Ulta by accident. By accident, right? And I got this free bag with purchase, which is a Kate Spade bag. And I don't know if they were just getting rid of them because she had just killed herself or what, but I wasn't aware of it when I got it. And now I'm kind of depressed. But that happened. Like, she's such a successful entrepreneur. I want to do a little PSA here. I'm going to link the suicide prevention hotline down below in my description bar. If you feel like giving up, or even like I don't know, if you need help, just call. Okay? There's people who care about you. I care about you. I don't even know who you are. I care about you. And it does get better, as somebody with chronic depression can tell you. Additionally, if you know someone who's depressed and you're worried about them, reach out because they need you. All right, PSA done. Let's get back to happy times. Cool, so we'll start with our Ulta haul, okay? I don't know what to do with my hands. I'm really confused by life. Yeah, so Ulta haul. We got two Lottie London stamp liners. I got a heart one and a star one. You guys know that I've been using the wing stamp liner from them, and I love it. So I'll link a video link up there because it will go up after my mini review of that. But I've been using that almost every day. I wear a wing liner, unless I want one of my traditional Erin Classic Insane wings, because that wing liner stamp is small, obviously. And you guys know I love large wings, but for a simple wing, I do love it. Next, I got two different beauty sponges. I got one from Essence, which looks like a little I don't know, cute little doll. And then I got this one from Morphe. I was looking for the pointed one because that's the one that Taylor likes, but they didn't have that. So I got these two to try at some point. Those will be in a video. And then the rest is makeup. So I've got, this is what we're going to try today. I got the Tarte High Performance Natural Shape Tape Hydrating Foundation. This is in the lightest shade Porcelain. And it's probably too dark for me because that's the story of my life. And then I decided, finally, to break down and buy the Shape Tape Concealer. This is in Fair, which is the lightest shade, and also is probably too dark for me, but I'm excited to try them. Finally, 6 years after they've been released, so there you go. Last but not least, I have two color cosmetics. I got myself a NYX lip liner. This is in Bloom, which is a really pretty magenta. And I also got one of the Balmain Paris x L'Oreal lipsticks in Legend. So I'll go ahead and open this up. It looked really pretty on the display. And this is this really pretty gray brown color. So we'll definitely try that out at some point. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching this mini Ulta haul with me. What? I don't know. Okay, try that again. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching this mini Ulta haul. I had a fun time going through all my terribly impromptu purchases, and yeah, stay tuned for my channel. Definitely subscribe and hit that bell button as we're going to try out all these products together. And I love you guys so much. I'll see you in my next video. Bye! Cool.